Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Trade Confessions. Hope you guys are doing great. Today we are going to see an interesting trade that I took a while back. This is a simple trend line breakout trade. I invested around 14.3 lakhs in this trade and I made a profit of 2 lakhs in this, which is around 14% ROI. Okay, let's go to my account and see the profit and loss statement. The stock name is NH. You can see the profit details in the statement. Also, I entered in this trade on the 8th of November 2023. Okay, now let's go to the charts and see the logic behind this trade. How I entered in this trade, what are the reasons, everything. Also, make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss any key insights. Every detail could help improve your trading. Guys, whenever you are seeing a potential stock that you want to enter, the important thing is to analyze the character of the stock, how it was performed in the past. Because there is a saying in trading that history will repeat itself. I saw the stock exactly on the 7th of November. After I saw this, I draw the resistance line. You can see the line I draw cutting through the candles, and you can ask why I draw like this. If you can see this in line chart, this line is simply connecting the closing price. You don't need to consider the wicks and opening price. This is how I draw my patterns. There are so many confirmations in this chart that made me to enter in this trade. We will see thoroughly about those reasons. These are the important details you need to note when you are entering in a trade. First, let's look how this stock was performed in the past. Look at this area. This is a weekly time frame. This stock was breakout from a major resistance line. After breakout, the price was shot up around 45%. Then it consolidated for some time. Again, it break out from the resistance and shot up around 48%. Again, it break out from the resistance and shot up around 40%. Just look at these breakouts. All these breakouts were similar, happened again and again. These are not the only confirmation that made me to enter in this trade. Let's analyze this more deeply to see the reasons. Looks at this breakout. This is the resistance line. As I already told, change this to line chart and draw the line that connects the points where the price got rejected multiple times. Okay, now I am cutting the charts for clear understanding. You can see this big green candle. It broke out from the trend line and it is huge. This is where most of the traders buy this, assuming this will shot up from here as it was already came out from the resistance. Most of them will put their stop loss below this green candle or below the swing low, which is below this red candle. See what happened next? The price came down from this location and collects all the stop loss and formed a green hammer candle. This is your right entry if you are buying this. And your stop loss will be below this candle wick. You can see the price consolidates for some times, but it never came down to your stop loss level. The reason is the institution was already entered in this trade and they never allow the price to come down. Because if the price come down, this would be loss for them. They will never allow it after their entry. The other scenario here would be the price may continue to shot up from this big green candle. This is also a possibility, but you can never guess whether it shot up from here or it will come down for retracement, and another word, stop loss hunt. If you are entering after that green candle, the probability of the price going up from there is less compared to the current scenario. But you can surely expect the price to go up once it collects the stop loss of the retail traders. The probability is high for this. Hope you guys understand this clearly. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section and I will try to answer your questions in my next video or in the comment section itself. Now let's go to the next breakout location. What happened in the previous breakout exactly happened here also. You can see the price broke out from the resistance. Maybe here there was no big green candle, but it is also a breakout. Most of the traders will be entered in this trade at this location. See what happened next. Most of them put their stop loss at this level. The price came down and collect all their stop losses. The price also consolidated for some time after this, but it never came down to this level again. As I told earlier, history is repeating itself. Now go to the next breakout location where I entered in this trade. You can clearly see the reason why I was entered in this trade. You can see there was a huge green breakout candle and the price came down from there and collected all the stop losses. The perfect entry for this trade would have been this location after this green candle. But unfortunately, I saw the stock only after this and I entered immediately the next day. Because there is a high chance the price will shot up from here based on the past behavior of this stock. I entered in this candle on 8 November at the price 1080. I put my stop loss below this candle low. I exited some of my positions on the 20th of November at the price 1245 and the rest on the 21st of November at 1303. On the average, I made around 14% returns in this trade. The important things you need to learn from this is you need to know how to read the price action in the charts and analyze the character of the stock. The only way you could learn this is you need to spend some time consistently on the chart analysis. Usually I will spend around 2 hours after my working hours on the chart analysis daily. During the weekend, I will spend at least 4 hours for the chart analysis. You need to train your eyes to spot the patterns in the chart even without drawing the lines. This is the only way you could learn this. Once you learned how to read the price action and the behavior of the stock, there is nothing will stop you from becoming the profitable trader. That's it, guys. I hope you guys learned valuable and new things from this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more analyzed video like this and hit the like button if you enjoyed watching this video. I will see you guys in another great video like this. Until then, keep analyzing the charts. Thank you, guys.